A bad habit that I developed during college was napping way too much. I definitely took way too many naps. And when I took naps, I didn't just lay on the couch like flat. Oh. When I took naps, I didn't just lay flat on the couches on campus like a zombie and napped. No, I didn't do that. I actually took naps by sitting and with my head back a little bit. And I always had my phone on me. So I always hated having lights flash in my eyes because it's too bright and I needed something to block that. And I always slept or I always napped with my phone on my face like this. No, really, it works because by doing this, you balance it and it stays and it at least blocks some light out. So people were always walking on me, seeing me sleeping like that, and then I was like, "Damn, Bert, are you playing games? Or you do something VR?" And I would just say, "Nope, I'm just napping. Don't talk to me." I will always sometimes go to class late, or even after class for like an hour class, I take a break and I go take a quick nap, like 5 minutes all I need or 3 minutes. So as I am finishing up my college year, I get my first job, or internship at a advertising agency, a huge agency, 3 floors, lots of bathrooms, which is dope. So then transitioning from college to the real professional world, I didn't get over the hurdle of napping all the time. Like I constantly was napping in college, and as a professional now I constantly needed to nap. So then my first few weeks of my design job as an intern, I always constantly needed to nap. So I will always leave my desk, like I'm never there when when my manager would need me, when he comes looking for me. So I was like, "Where's Bert? Where did he go?" It's because I would go and nap. And I didn't really know the agency building that well. So I will always go nap in my car. But man, it was hot. My car then I was driving, I had no AC. The only thing that worked was my windows. So then I always had to let down my windows and let the air in. And I would just nap in my car for like 5 to 10 minutes, right? And then I'll go back inside for like another 2-3 hours, and I go back into my car and nap again. So I was be napping in my car, but it got to the point where it was too hot and I couldn't handle it. So then I did something that I just recently started to share because it's embarrassing, but hey, it's a story. I started to nap. This is why I said it's dope on the bathrooms. I started to nap in their bathrooms. Yes, I started to nap in my agency's bathrooms, particularly the first floor, because the first floor they have stalls, right? And the end of the stall is it's big, so it has a lot of room. So again, I was not napping on the tile floors. No, I was not napping on the toilet. No, I will bring my backpack with me. I would set it at the corner, and then I would just sit on top of my backpack, and I would just nap 5-10 minutes, because I will go there when there's nobody in there, because nobody bothers you in the bathroom. It's quiet. Sometimes they have fresheners in there, so if it smells nice. But if it stinks, nah, I don't go in there. But the time that I do go in there, there's no one in there. So I will end up napping in their bathrooms. Like I did that for about like 2 months to 3 months for the longest time. And then my coworker, I knew I cannot keep napping in a bathroom, so I needed to friend somebody in the agency. And my friend, my coworker then, he's an editor, so he has his own studio, his own suite, and he has a couch in there. And I'm like, yo, and he's also Asian. So I was like, yo, I have to be his friend. Why? So that I can nap in his studio. So our first encounter with him, it was awkward. He's probably like, why is this dude always come and talk to me? I barely know him. But like any relationship, you gotta start small. You gotta work your game. You gotta know your end goal, because my end goal was to get that couch. We started to go, grab drinks and grab lunch together. So then I'm like, okay, I'm in. I'm hooked. He's hooked. I'm in. Okay. And then bam, the day finally comes. I texted him, hey, yo, can I come and nap in your room? And he says,
yeah, man, go ahead.
I was like, yes. So that I go and nap in his room. And since that day, I've always napped in his room now. So look, I came from the bottom, from the bathroom, now to a studio, nice leather black couch. It's more now me just walking in like, yo, I need 5 minutes. He'd be like, I got you. So now is that kind of conversation. So that was my bad habit in college that definitely rolled over into my professional experience and career that it was hard to get rid of. Now I definitely gotten a lot better. I nap like maybe 1 or twice a day now. But I think napping is still essential, but don't overdo it. What are some of your habits that you developed, or some habits that you can't get rid of that's kind of hard to do so? Thank you for listening and tuning in. If you enjoyed this part of the storytelling, don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button.